So, what was our last class? Last topic?
Sir, if-else and programming with strings reduce character from names.
String slicing.
String slicing. Yes.
Yeah. Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Sir, I'm Natasha Banerjee. Today is my first class.
Hi, Natasha. Welcome.
Yeah. I have gone through the videos and already done the assignments.
Okay.
So
Yeah, is there any doubt?
yeah, I have few doubts.
Okay, you can tell me.
Uh, the last assignment which you have given, like you have asked us to concatenate the names, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So there is no doubt. Like I have solved it, but my question is that in that case, like for the James and Rhodes example, there we can count that, right, from 0 to 7 or 1 to 7 we can print it, but if we don't want to count the index number and we want to simply remove the duplicates, in that case what can we do? Is there any other process to do it?
Yeah, let's try this one today. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
I'm Rajdeep Shah. Today is my first class.
Hi, Rajdeep. Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So, today, I mean, uh, who are new today? Who just joined
Sir, me
today?
and Rajdeep, Natasha and Rajdeep.
Okay. So, both of you, can you, introduce yourself a little bit?
Yes, sir. I'm Natasha Banerjee. I'm a BTech Computer Science graduate and currently pursuing my MBA from IIM Kolkata.
Sir, I'm Rajdeep Shah from Durgapur. Recently, I'm pursuing IEM MBA from in Marketing and Business Analytics from Institute of Engineering and Management, Kolkata, and I have completed my BTech from Dr. Biswa Engineering College, Durgapur.
So, you both have some coding background, I believe.
Yes, sir.
Yes, a little bit, sir. From my side, mechanical backgrounds a little bit, sir.
Yeah, in mechanical also, no, still you're familiar with coding things. Uh,
Yes, sir.
in first year, you had coding, right?
Yes, in
Computer
first year
program,
and
yes.
second year, first sem, little bit,
Hmm.
sir. C.
C program. Okay. Rajdeep, you have gone through all the videos?
Yes, sir. I have gone through all the videos, sir. Three of
Okay.
the session videos.
Okay. You also have the same doubt?
I joined late, sir. I don't know what's the doubt are you talking about. Or
Okay. As of now, whatever you have gone through, is there any doubt? Is there any
no,
question or anything?
uh, sir. Right now, I can't say exact the what I have doubt or something, but something that the last video that I have gone through with that there is a some divisible by 2 or 5, or in that case that
Hmm.
we have to use only the AND gate, or we can use the program with AND or both.
Anything. Anything, whichever suits, you can apply.
Okay, sir. whichever will be suitable or proper, we can go through with that.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
I mean, you both know the truth table of and or and not.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, I tried doing that last assignment that you have given us, like if a number is divisible by 2, 3, 5 and all that.
Yes.
So can you, I have sent you the screenshot. I don't know why is it not running, sir. It's showing indentation error, sir.
Indentation error means there is some space problem.
Sir, I have sent you. Can you please check, sir?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not able to see what is your name. Can you tell
Sir,
me?
Shanchari Sharma, sir.
Okay, okay. Fine, Sanjay.
Sir,
Hmm.
we should send the screenshots of all the assignments, right?
Yes, and you should
Where,
not.
in the group or
No,
yeah?
not in the group. You can personally send the screenshot. Okay. I mean, in
Is your
private
number
group.
is added there in the group?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Sanchari,
Sir.
in the line 10,
Yes,
you
sir.
used if a modulus 2 double equals to 0. That is fine.
Hmm.
But did you see the indentation there? That print just before the if, there is one print, right?
Yes, sir.
So the print has more space than the if.
Okay, the print should align with if,
Yes, they should be in the same line.
but when I'm backspacing the print, then when I'm aligning the both the two lines, they are not. This is showing in red color, sir. The print.
Yeah,
So
that
how
is
do
actually happening because after each and every elif, you did not mention any colon.
Oh, acha.
So if you mention colon, then the indentation would be automatic. Otherwise,
Okay.
there would be some error.
Sir, I couldn't find your number there.
Okay, I'm putting a message.
Okay, sir. Sure.
My name is Sumit. Got it?
Yes, sir. I'm sending you the screenshots.
Sure. Yeah.
Sir, it's not working, sir.
হচ্ছে না you
স্যার
have to
আমি স্ক্রিনটা শেয়ার করব একবার মানে আমি বুঝতে পারছি না মানে I'm not getting like
okay.
where have I put the extra space, sir?
Okay. So 1 second. Is it on?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Natasha, is it?
Yes, sir.
Natasha, I mean, you just complete the program by checking each and every single number. Okay.
Acha, individually, right? That whether the
Yes,
number is
individual.
divisible by 2, 3. Acha, okay. Okay, sir. I'll do that.
Sir,
Yes.
I'm Rajdeep sir. I have sent you a shot that it is quite different. I couldn't have complete all the programming, but there is just showing one problem that I'm getting, that when I'm just put 10, which is divisible by 2 or 5, it's just showing the value, not uh, print the cause what I just instructed. But
Okay.
other case, it's also okay. All are okay. Like when it is divisible by 2 or 3, it shown that sign or something. For all, it's showing that all, but for cos it's not showing. Why, I don't know.
Hmm. Rajdeep,
Yes, sir.
the thing is, you used elif condition.
Yes.
There you are checking whether the number is divisible by 2 and 3,
Yes.
right? So it is not divisible by 3. Then why would the condition be satisfied? Then
Then, sir.
go for the sub condition. You mentioned the if under elif, right?
Okay, okay, sir. Yes, got it, sir.
So that means elif should be satisfied, then only if can be checked.
Okay, sir. Okay. Now it okay, sir. Then I can change it by the elif line with 2 and 5, and then if added with 3 and 2, then I check that it come or not.
Yes, you can do. But the
Okay,
thing
sir.
is, this is actually wrong. If suppose like this 10 happened, if suppose the number is not divisible, right? In that case, your second condition would not be checked, right?
Yes.
So it's better to put all the conditions outside.
Okay.
Sir, I also send you the last two assignment.
Okay. Yes, correct.
Sir, Shoykot is not present today, but he told that if you can do the last two program, he will follow the recording, sir, if you can.
Okay. I'm aware that Shoykot is not present today. So first of all, I have the names, the proper names. I have the wrong names. Okay. What I can do, I can first check, is C present in A? Okay. It will show you false. But if I do A dot capitalize, not capitalize, let's do this. If C dot lower in A, it will be true. What is happening? I am making the C, that means James, in lowercase. All the string contents or string characters would be converted into lowercase. Okay. Then I'm searching whether this string present in A string, means here. It means true. Similarly, I can do for roads also, means D dot lower in B. Here actually we have to do some string slicing because double H happened here.
Sir, while doing this program in Colab, the string value is the string statement is not required, but in Jupyter it is asking for the string that command. So why is this happening?
It is asking for string command, means where?
Before input.
Before input.
Yes, yes.
Before input. Okay. A equal to input. B equal to input. I want A plus B. It's not asking. I'm doing in Jupyter.
But when I am pressing the run, it is moving into the next command line without giving the output.
Without giving the output.
Yes, sir, when I am just pressing the run, it is just going to the next line. But when I am doing the same program in Colab, it is giving the output.
So yes, sometimes I'm getting that same issue when I just delete all those things and then restart the program in Jupyter. Then it would be absolute. Otherwise, not the same problem I am facing. That just go into the next line without giving the output.
Okay, so can one of you show me any screen? Just share any screenshot.
Sir, can you explain this last two programming once more? Because I could not listen to what you told in the last class due to some network issues, sir.
Okay.
So I could not follow. Like, what is it all about, sir?
So the thing is here, uh, last assignment was you have to take user inputs with some wrong names. Obviously, name should be there, but with some extra characters. Like James is present here, but with extra characters. Rhodes is present here, but with extra characters. Now, out of these two strings, you have to convert or you have to extract the original name. Okay, removing the extra characters. Uh, you guys don't know any string methods, right?
Sir, can I show now? Share. Show.
You can share. You can send the screenshot.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah. Uh, do you guys know any list, any Python data structure?
No, sir. I don't know, sir.
Ah,
Actually, there is some list concept and some string methods to be used. Okay, first of all, we complete the chapters, then we'll proceed for this program. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Anyway, this was not your assignment. Your assignment was only to use the string slicing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can you see the material?
Yes, sir.
Uh, okay. Aditya,
yes, sir.
so whenever this actually happens, you can restart your kernel.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. How to restart your kernel? Go to the kernel. You can do restart from here. Okay. You can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I mean, observe each and every time in Jupyter or in any editor, the cell which are executed, which are already executed, they will produce a number here, right? These are numbers. Which are not executed, they will not show you any number. Or which is in progress of execution, they will show you star there. So if the star stays for a long period of time, in that case, you should restart your kernel.
Okay, sir.
All right. strings. So a string is a sequence of characters. You can access the characters one at a time with a bracket operator. Like fruit is the variable which is containing banana string. Now fruit of 1, that means so let's suppose a equal to banana. Now if I do a within square bracket 1, it will show you a. Now you don't know which a. Correct? There are 3 a's. Let's see with 0. 0 means B. 1 means A. 2 means N. 3 means again. Now you are getting the pattern. If I do B of 0, that means P. B of 1 means Y. B of 2 means T. So these are actually index positions of each and every characters. The index position starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. 0 at 0th position, B is there. At first position, A is there. Second position, N is there. Third, A. Fourth, N. Fifth, A. Okay. This is how string position works. So you can get access to any character within a string. Suppose I want this N. That means I have to count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So B of 5 means N. Alright.
Sir,
Yes.
can we use B of -1?
Yes.
Because
Minus.
it is also giving N.
Correct. You can use minus strings also, means minus integers also. The thing is,
Hmm.
from left hand side, from left to right, the index position starts from 0, and from right to left, index position starts from -1. Like,
So, sir, can we reverse the string by using -1 to 0, -1 to -7?
yes, we can reverse.
I have tried it, but it's not working.
Okay. So B of -1, let's suppose I had to calculate from left side to, means from left side 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. I had to calculate to get the last character. In that case, you can use, if it is last character, you can use -1. So -1 means last character, -2 means second last character. Okay. So index position from left to right starts from 0, and from right to left starts from -1. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now, other thing in here, I have b equal to Python. No problem. Now, can I change the p into L?
No, sir, we can't change, but we can concatenate it.
Yes. Why can't we change?
Because sir, string is immutable in Python.
Yes, correct. Strings are immutable. Strings are immutable. This immutable word is coming from mutation. Okay. Mutation means changing your behavior based on your requirement or based on environment. Correct? That is called mutation. So if we have greeting equal to hello world, greeting 0 means what? Somebody please tell me.
H.
H.
H. So if we want J instead of H, if we want to assign J at the place of H, it will show you str object does not support item assignment. Similarly here also we can do b of 0. Let's take this t. Okay, so t is at 2, right? First of all, let's confirm. Yes, 2 equal to I want L there. It will show you str object does not support item assignment. Okay. Did I show you these things in the last class? That you
Yes, sir.
strings are immutable. This one also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So I mean, you can do the slicing and you can make changes in the string, right?
Yes, sir.
So list part is not done, correct? I'm going to share. Or string methods. Like there are some functions in string. Did you discuss these?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Fine. Just wasted some time. Sorry. Okay. B equal to Python. So what are the possible functions available in Python? You can know by using one inbuilt function that is called dir. Within the dir, place b. It will show you what are the possible functions can be applied to a string. These are all functions, sometimes called methods. Okay. Let's see some of the functions. Uh, P equal to, I'm again assigning Python. Now P is small, correct? If we perform the capitalize, this capitalize function, then you can get B dot capitalize. You can get like this. The first letter would be in capital. Okay. Similarly, uh, B dot B still remains like this. If you want to change it in capital S, in that case we have to do B equal to B dot capital S. Then only B can be changed. That means we are modifying the value of B with the new value. This would be the new value. B dot lower means all the letters would be in lower format. I want to change the original string also, so I'm doing B equal to B dot lower. So B is now this. B dot upper means all in uppercase. So what is the difference between capitalize and upper?
So in capitalize only
Only
the
first.
first letter will be capital, and in upper every letter will be in uppercase.
Yes, correct. Similarly, there are many other functions. You can try all of them, but we'll see most common functions. Capitalize, we covered. Upper, lower, what dot find. Uh, So word is a variable which is containing banana. If you perform word dot find a, it will show you the index value where the a first a occurred. We have Python, right? Or let's say, yeah, Python is okay. B equal to Python. You want to find the index position of y. B dot find y, first position. You can find n also. B dot find string n. Remember, you should always mention the string. And how to mention the string? With a quotation, right? If you are dealing with string, then you should always use the quotations. line equal to, this is a string, have a nice day. Line dot starts with, this is another function. You want to search whether, you want to see whether the given string is starting with this particular string or not. So you can use the starts with. Yes, the string is starting with this string, true. Or else it will show false. Like, is the string starting with small h? No, false. It is starting with capital H, right? In string, capital and small both are counted as different. Similarly, there is another thing, ends with. This is not given here. B equal to Python, whether B ends with N or not. True. Whether B ends with A or not. False.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
In the find case, if we have one letter in two times, then how to find it?
Yeah. If you have one letter two times, then on the find function will show you the first letter, the index position of first letter. Okay. First occurrence. For the second occurrence, if you want, then you can use some for loop there.
Can you show it?
C equal to banana. For I in C, if I double equals to N, or what dot find N. No. This is to count how many N's are there, and this is we are incrementing. Alright, we can do like this. So at the second position, N occurred, and the fourth position, N occurred. Right?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, এই লজিকটা বুঝতে পার মানে I could not understand, sir. Like c is equal to banana, c and t equal to 0. For I মানে লজিকটা কি লাগালেন স্যার?
So why you are using I or something?
So for I in C means for each and every character in C. Okay.
Hmm.
Uh, uh, I showed you how to traverse through a string, right?
Right.
Yeah. For I in C means the value of I would keep changing based on loops. Okay. In the first loop, I will have banana. I mean B.
B.
In the second loop, I will have A. In the third loop, I will have N, like this. Okay. So whenever I matches with N, okay, whenever I matches with N, I am printing the count, and the count variable I initialized with 0. Okay.
Okay, 0 plus 1, right?
Yes. So after each and every loop, I'm incrementing the count here. Count equal to count plus 1. That means current value of count in the first loop is 0. After completing the first loop, current value of count is 0. Then 0 plus 1 means 1. 1 would be inserted into count variable. Okay. So count is having 1. Second loop will occur. Second loop will finish. At the finishing time, the count value is 1. Then plus 1 means 2. 2 will be inserted into count. So I'm keeping count of each and every loop.
Right.
Starting with 0. Okay.
Right.
So whenever it actually finds the n, it will immediately show you the current value of count. In this way, you can get all the index, all the correct index for each and every character. There is another way. Let's suppose you want, you know, that some index, some index here, and you want to get the index value of this n. Okay, by using find function. In that case, you have to mention c dot find n. Now you can mention where it should start, searching, like 0 0 1 2. That means from 3 we can search, right? At 2 first n occurred. I don't want first n, I want the second n. So from after first n occurred, then we can start searching. So in 3, we'll show you. Okay. Did I show you how to count any repeating character?
No, sir.
All right. C equal to banana we have. Now for I or j, any variable you can take. I in C. Let's take j instead of I. For j in C, if I do print j, that means each and every character of the string, right? Now I want to count how many A has occurred. Now instead of printing j, if j double equals to A, then means whenever value of j matches with A string, okay, it should print, or it should increment the count. Count equal to 0. So count equal to 0, it will not be incremented until and unless this condition satisfies. Okay. Now print the final value of count. Where 3 A's occurred. Okay. Now I give you this string. How many D has occurred? Can you count now? Try once. You guys are trying, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done.
Okay. Correctly counted. How many D's are there?
Sir, it is not counting the capital D.
Yes. In that case, what you need to do? Think.
We have to change it to lowercase all the letters.
Yes. Correct.
I have sent you the code. Can you please check it?
There are two ways. Uh, One second. So there are two ways for I or this for K. K in A. If K double equals to capital D or K double equals to small d, then count equal to count plus 1. So I have to initialize the variable with 0. After incrementing the count, I have to get out of the for loop and I have to print the final value of count. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 6D occurred. Yes, Oninta. Good.
Sir, please repeat what is the purpose of J in A or I in A and K in A? The difference between K that for count and for J and I.
Any variable you can take. I told you earlier.
Okay.
Instead of K, any variable you can take. You can take I, you can take J. From A to Z, any variable, any letter, any alphabet, you can take. Okay.
The user same sir.
Yes.
User same.
All will behave like same.
Okay, sir. But I should change the right one that in whatever the letter I am using, the A equal to like data science dancing. So what the
Yes.
letter I use and same user in. Okay, sir.
So the A is actually this string object, right? So that is why this is actually important. This A. Where do I want to search? Okay. Where do I want to apply the for loop? This is important, not this one. This is anything.
Sir, I have also,
Yes.
sir, I have also sent you.
Correct. Correct. There is another loop concept. I think you have heard about while. So if we have A equal to this one, we can use another loop concept, that is while loop. We can do okay. First of all, how to get length of a string. There is a function len. Len of A uh, will show you how many characters happened or how many elements are there in the string. Okay. It will count the space also. It will count the space also. Because space is also one string. Understood? while let's take I less than 57. I equal to 0. First of all, I'm going to print A of I. It will be infinite loop. This is the way you can create one infinite loop. Okay. Now see, there is no end of the output. So to end it or to stop it, I have to mention something. I have to increment the I. Now what is happening here? Can anybody explain?
So written vertically.
Writing vertically.
57. So below 57, all the alphabets are being printed, sir, because you have initialized 0 to 0 plus 1, like 0 plus 1, then 1 plus 1, 2, then when until it is below 57.
The thing is happening here. I have initialized I with 0. No problem. I can initialize any variable with any value. I with 0. So the while loop takes one condition. Okay. That condition, if that condition satisfies, then only loop will occur. If that does not satisfy, then loop will not occur. It will stop. Okay. So I have put a condition I as long as the value of I is less than 57. Obviously, in the first loop, I is equal to 0. Condition satisfies, we'll go for next statement, that is printing A of I. That means right now the value of I is 0. So A of 0 I am printing. A of 0 means D, right? D will be printed. Then I'm incrementing the value of I. Current value of I is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 will be inserted into I. So current value of I is 1. Again it will go back to the while condition. Yes, 1 is less than 57. Then it will go for the next statement. A of current value of I is 1. That means A of 1 will be printed. A of 1 is A, small a. It will be printed. Then again incrementing the I. Again it will check. So current value of I is 2. 2 is less than 57, like this. It will occur till the value of I is 56. 56 is less than 57. Print A of 56. Now A of 56 means which one? Somebody please tell me.
So why?
A of 56 means
Sir,
the
D.
last element. No.
50. Okay,
7,
there.
50.
A of 56 means last element. See, whatever you are getting, this is a trick. Whatever you are getting as the length, less than that would be your last index.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So right now, if you do like A of 57, you'll see string index out of range. Now, if you do 56, it will show you the last value. Why? So that means you can mention mm, you can mention len of whatever be the length of A minus 1. That means the last element. Understood, everyone?
So what is the difference between while and if, sir? Even if we are writing if instead of while, then also the logic remains same. Like if I is less than 57, then only print I is equal to I plus 1. Then
Yes. That is why they both are called loop. There are some similarities and there are some extra features also. The extra feature is while can take any condition. Okay. While can take a condition. For cannot take any condition.
okay.
There are few exceptions, but except those exceptions, for cannot take any condition. While can take a condition means while always takes a condition. Otherwise, while is not possible.
Okay.
Through while loop, it is easier to create a infinite loop. Okay. In some cases, actually in Google Colab, uh, sometimes it is needed to increase the allocated memory. In that case, you can apply one while loop and you can increase the memory. Google will allocate the memory which you require. Obviously, if there is some infinite loop that requires some more memory, right? Now, I can count how many D has occurred by using while loop. While let's again initialize I with 0. While I less than, I can put len of A instead of 57, correct? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
I can indirectly place len of A instead of 57. Means I want Python to calculate whatever be the length of it. I don't want to know. Now, if A of I equals double equal to, it matches with D, or A of I matches with capital D. Then keep a count. I have to initialize count variable with 0. And don't forget to increment the value of I. Otherwise, it will form up one infinite loop, which you definitely don't want to get. Sorry. Outside of while loop, I'm going to print the final value of count. 6. 6 times D occurred. Do I need to explain this program?
Yes, sir.
So I initialized I with 0. Obviously 0 is less than len of a. Len of a means 57. So 0 is less than 57. No problem. The condition satisfied. If a of 0 equals D or a of 0 equals capital D, small d or capital D, then only count variable will be incremented. Okay. Then I equal to I plus 1. In case if condition does not satisfy, that case also I will be incremented for each and every loop. So I would be incremented means in the first loop I is having 0. So I will be incremented to 1. In the second loop 1 is less than 57. Again satisfies. Then it will search whether A of current value A of 1 matches with any of the string. If it does not, no problem, I will be incremented like this. It would actually keep doing like this. So in the last loop I will have 56. 56 is less than 57. Okay, all will be executed. Now I will be incremented. I is equal to 56 plus 1, that means 57. Again it will return to the while. Now 57 is not less than 57. Stops.
Sir,
Hmm.
if we placed AND operation in the place of OR, then what would be like that? Because both, if you consider neither or nor, if you don't take neither or nor, if you take both one, so then
It would be little bit illogical, because if you place AND here, and means the AND truth table says if both the condition is returning, if both the conditions are returning true, then only the whole condition will be satisfied, right?
yes, sir.
So is it possible that A of I would have both the strings?
No,
That won't happen,
no, sir,
right?
not possible. Yes, sir,
Not
not possible.
possible. So that is why we can't use AND here.
Okay.
can use or, means either of the condition. If it is returning true, then we can consider the whole condition is returning true. Clear about this program?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now using while, you can count how many A happened here in the string using while. I'm not going to show the program. Please count right now. Give me 1 minute, I will get back. Yes, Anindita, correct.
Okay, sir.
Sanchari, I asked you to count how many A's happened by using while loop.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yes, Shomudeep, correct. Yes, Orpon, correct. All right. So what happened to the rest? Anyone having any trouble?
No.
Sir, showing me that str object is not capable.
Your object is not capable. Okay.
Capable, sir.
Yeah. Send a screenshot.
Okay.
Natasha,
Yes, sir.
uh, you are searching for K, right?
K. Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Fine. Yeah, correct.
Sir,
Yes.
because of that I have not done the previous one, like print count something. That the reason showing the not capable, or
Okay.
that did.
Let me see once.
Okay, sir. I'm send you.
Str object is not callable, not capable. See the I variable.
Yes, sir.
I variable is containing some integer, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you want an A variable is containing the string, correct?
Yes, sir.
If you want to use the integer for a string variable, then you need to use square bracket. Okay. Index positions you have to mention within square bracket. So A square bracket I.
Okay, sir.
Shivani, correct. Alright, enough. Ankita, correct. Aditya, correct. All right. Please note down this thing. These are access specifiers. Percentage %d is used for integer, percentage %g is used for float, and percentage %s is used for string. See here. This is called format string. So percentage S is for string, right? I mentioned percentage S at the beginning. So the first value I am passing a string. Then percentage G. For percentage G, I'm passing 3.6. Percentage G means float. So 3.6 I'm passing. Now percentage D means integer. I'm passing one integer. Now percentage S means string. I'm passing a string. Percentage G means float. I'm passing a float value. Maintain the order. Whatever order you maintained here, you should maintain the same order here while passing the values. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If you somehow change any of the order, this okay. If you somehow change the orders, must be real number, not string. It will show you error. Okay. Because the last access space where you mentioned as float and you are passing a string value there. That is why. List another data structure of Python, internal data structure. So, like a string, a list is a sequence of values. In a string, the values are characters. In a list, they can be of any type. The values in list are called elements or sometimes items. Okay. How to define a list? Let's take b equal to, we have to use square bracket. We can use 2 comma a string, then we can take a float value also. This is a list. You can check or confirm type of b list. Okay. Now what is the length of the list? By using len function, len of b. There are 6 elements or 6 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In list, you can have any data type value. No problem. It is not mandatory to have a list with only integers or list with only float or list with only strings. It is not mandatory. Len function will return you the length of the list, means how many elements are there in your list. This is something like array in C or array in Java. And people who knows Java or C, they can relate to it. In Python, this is called list, not array. Okay. How to get access to each and every element of the list? Same technique like a string. A of 0 means the first element. Sorry, B of 0. A is my string. B is the list. B of 0 means the first element. B of 1 means the second element. B of 2 means third element. And B of minus 1 means the last element. Now, if I mention a list in the list, another list in a list, in that case, tell me how to get access to this BAC. Anyone? Now, what is the length of this list? Tell me that.
So 6.
No. Now,
4.
And
yes,
4.
4. The last element is this one, the whole list. If you now check len of B, 4. Now, what is at len of, not len of, B of minus 1? The sublist. Okay. Now, how to get access to this BAC? Tell me someone. Alright. So, as you know, B of 3 or B of minus 1, both will return the list, right? Now I got access to the element, that is this list. Now I can get access to this list also. How? I have to mention another index position like this. So 0 means 34, 1 means 4.5, and 2 means BAC. This is the last element of this sublist. So instead of 2, if I mention -1, same, right? Now if you want further splitting or further access, like I want to get access to this A of this string, I can do that. B of 3 minus 1 means this BAC. Of 0 means B. Of 1 means A. Of 3 means 2 means C. Now how to get the length of this sublist? Please tell me someone. I know len of B. I know. 4. Now what is the length of this string? This list. What is the length of this list? Visually, tell me what is the length of this list.
3.
3. Correct. If I do, see, B of -1 means this sublist, right? If I mention the len function before this, you'll definitely get the length of this sublist. Now, someone please tell me, it is answerable. What is the length of this string? How to get the length?
So we will put another -1 after the B -1, then again one more -1.
Correct. Because B of -1 and -1 means the last element, that is BAC. So len of that one, len of BAC. Now, traversing through list is also same as string. For I in B, print I. Okay. Similarly, for while loop also, while let's take j less than len of b, print a of j, and j should be initialized with 0. Sorry, I I created one infinite loop because I forgot to mention the increment. B of j. Same. Okay. List slicing also same as string. The second print b. I want the values from 2 to 6.7. So I have to mention 0 to 0, 1, 2. That means 0 to 3. I have to mention. 0 to 3 means 0 to 2. Similarly, if I don't mention the 0 here, still the same. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just another time, just tell me that what is the purpose of a square bracket and the difference between the normal bracket. That one I just missed. I am using the square bracket in the place of normal bracket. Purpose of that.
So this is the format actually. If you want to use the um, index positions, then you have to mention the square bracket. Okay. For index positions, you have to mention the square bracket. If you mention b of 1, this does not make sense. List object is not callable. You can't call, see this one, this any variable after this. If you mention uh, like normal bracket or first bracket, that means you're calling that one, which is not allowable. If you want to use the index positions, then you have to use the square bracket.
Okay, sir.
Like whenever you use some function, print, you call that function by mentioning this one. Okay. You can pass some value here. So you're calling that function and you're giving this parameter. That is why you're receiving some output. If you don't mention the first bracket open and close, it will show you function print. It is not calling it. It is just showing you that there is a one inbuilt function in Python, that is print. To call the function, call means using that function. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You have to mention bracket open, bracket close. Okay. Okay. This is your assignment, that write a program without using any function to show the index position of the last element of this list. Any doubt? So take this list containing your first name and last name. Produce your full name using loop and also count how many total characters are there in the list without using any function. Okay. Let's suppose my name is take this list which is containing my first name Sumit, last name Som. How many characters are there? 5 and 3, 8. Right? This one I have to produce without using any function.
Sir,
Okay? Yeah.
print is also a function to print the output, and then how we are supposed to get the
No,
output without.
print you can use, but no other function. Okay.
Okay, sir, like input functions, or which functions we are not supposed to use?
See, without using len function. Okay.
Okay.
Input, print, these are necessary functions. Okay.
Okay. So,
No extra function.
okay, sir.
Any other doubt?
No, sir.
All right. So, yeah, you can do these two assignments. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Any doubt from this session? Okay, I believe there is no other doubt. So I'm signing off today then. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, welcome. Bye. Take care.